Hey guys, what's going on? Joshua Elder here. Welcome back to the channel. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to make money with YouTube by copying other people's videos ethically. I'm going to show you the exact same formula I've used to make up to $1,000+ a day, even as much as $10,000 in one day, and over $400,000 in just one account in the past year. So if you're excited for this video, it's not going to require that you jump on video or that you speak a word on video whatsoever. So if you're excited for it, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, give me a like. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, because on this channel we teach you really how to build a life and business full of freedom, passion, and fulfillment. So please give me a like, slam that subscribe button, and tick that bell icon to be notified of all future videos that I upload when I upload them. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump to my computer screen. I'm going to show you how to make money on YouTube the right way by copying videos in 2020. So the first thing that we want to do is we want to select a niche. And it should be a niche where there's a lot of pain or where people want to experience a lot of pleasure. So typically, as I always say, select the health, wealth, love, or relationships market. So in this case, what we're going to do is we're going to do kind of the wellness, the health market here. And we're just going to type in intermittent fasting, right? That's something that's been pretty popular for quite some time. So I'm just going to type in intermittent fasting. What you can notice when I'm typing this search phrase in is I not only see intermittent fasting, but I see other words that are related to intermittent fasting. This is called YouTube Instant Search. It's actually giving us exactly what people are typing into YouTube, popular search phrases. So it's all about supply and demand. If there's a huge demand, aka people are searching for a particular search phrase a lot, then we want to supply them with more videos, more content around that specific search phrase. So the more long tail we go, in other words, the more words there are in a search phrase, the better that search phrase is going to be typically to rank for. So for example, if we go for, let's see, intermittent fasting for beginners, that has 1, 2, 3, 4 words in the keyword phrase. We got intermittent fasting weight loss, intermittent fasting meal plan. I'm actually going to select intermittent fasting meal plan. And then you can see all these different videos about intermittent fasting meal plan. And then what we're going to do is we're going to filter by Creative Commons. And Creative Commons videos are videos that we can actually kind of relicense and reuse on our own channel. This way, we're not going to deal with any copyright strikes or any shenanigans like that. So if we scroll down, you're going to see, for example, this one right here has quite a bit of views. We don't know if these are real views or fake views. It looks like this is an authority channel, which is one reason why it has a lot of views. Plus, it doesn't look like it is in English. So what we can do is we want to go through each of these videos and we want to just see them and vet them and see if they're of quality, right? Because a lot of videos out there are great quality videos as far as content, not just the quality of the production value of the video, but there's a lot of videos that have really quality content, but the person that put that video up, the creator, didn't really do a good job of optimizing the video so it can get a lot of views. And so what we want to do is we want to take advantage of that and find these videos that are of quality, and we want to re-upload these videos on our own channel, but optimizing them correctly. Now I'm going to show you something else in addition to this that's really going to help you create an unfair advantage. But first of all, let's say this ketogenic fasting mimicking diet how-to. That's really not too related. I mean, somewhat related to intermittent fasting, but we really want to, find an intermittent fasting video that's related to this initial search phrase. So I like this one right here, intermittent fasting meal plan for fat loss. Again, we would go through the video and say, you know what? This video just has a bunch of filler. It's not engaging. I'm not going to, obviously mess with this video whatsoever. So we want to keep looking at these different videos around intermittent fasting meal plans and find the one that we like. So let's say that it is, in fact, this one right here, what I eat in one meal a day, intermittent fasting keto, kind of like this one right here. It's got 22,000 views, which means, that it is of some quality because 22,000 people watched it. And so I'm going to go ahead and click on this video right here. And then what we can actually do is we can take this URL at the top here, we can copy this, and we can go to Google and we can type in download video from YouTube. And I'm just going to select enter. And you can see there's a lot of these different, video downloader, internet-based softwares, Keep Vid, YouTube download. So we can select one of these. And then what we would do is we just enter the URL here. We would download it. And then we would create our own channel that's based around, dieting or weight loss. You can even go as micro as like creating just an intermittent fasting channel that's everything intermittent fasting. And what you could really do is not just go for intermittent fasting meal plan, but again, we can use this search feature right here to look at all these other, topics related to intermittent fasting. Again, download those videos, make sure they're Creative Commons so you can relicense them, reuse them. And what I would suggest that you do to differentiate yourself with these Creative Commons videos is create like your own intro, maybe showing your face or showing some PowerPoint slides or just adding a cool intro that you can get from Fiverr. Like you can easily go to fiverr.com and you can type in intro video. So you could just add a little bit of customization to the front end of the Creative Commons video. You can see intro video. I will create a custom intro video and logo animation, $70. This one's $15, $35. So this one looks pretty good. For 15 bucks, there's over 1,000 5-star reviews. I would probably go with something like this. This does say logo animation, so that might not be as relevant. But again, you can scroll down through here and you can find something that would suffice. And, just adding a little bit of your own creativity along with the Creative Commons video, you can make this super unique. And not to mention what you can do is once you download this video and you upload it, number one, you want to make sure that this initial search phrase was intermittent fasting meal plan, right? You want to make sure that intermittent fasting and meal plan are in the title somewhere. Preferably, you could put them all in the beginning. So if we were to re-upload this video, it would be intermittent fasting meal plan, of course, caps in each of the first letters of each word. And then it could be a full day of eating, right? And then you'd want to make sure that this, search phrase was in the description. And also you would want to throw it in the tags. There's a section when you upload your video, there's a tag section, and you would just enter intermittent fasting meal plan as a tag. And if you have the vidIQ plugin, this is really cool. I'm going to jump to my other browser right here. I'm just going to minimize this for just a second. And we're going to go over to YouTube here. And we're going to go back to the home page. Follow me here. And if I was to type in anything whatsoever, let's just type in make money from home, right? And I jump to the first result right here. Let's just click on this first result. If I have a plugin called the vidIQ plugin installed, you can just go to Google and type in vidIQ Chrome, vidIQ Chrome extension. You would download that here, okay? And then what'll happen is once you have it downloaded and installed into your Google Chrome browser, you can scroll down, you can see all these video tags right here. When you upload your video, it's going to ask once again for the title, the description, which you want that intermittent fasting meal plan keyword in the description, in the title, and also in the tags right here. So what you can do is I could even jump over here because I'm in an incognito window, which means I'm in a private browsing window. It's not going to show up all the keywords on this video, but essentially I could copy the keywords on this very video right here. But what I would essentially do is, when you type in intermittent fasting, the vidIQ plugin is going to automatically, when you upload the video, suggest other keywords that you could use. Just super beneficial, right? So once you do that, you get that video uploaded and you add a cool thumbnail to it. Again, you can use Fiverr. All you got to do is search for YouTube thumbnails right here, right? YouTube thumbnail. And, I have a specific provider that I use to get my thumbnails. But I mean, a lot of these different people will work just fine. Look at all these 5 stars on this one right here. catchy YouTube thumbnail, 163 5 stars right here. You would use a really cool looking thumbnail. And then what you could do is you could take that same video on that channel and you could kill two birds with one stone. You could create yet another channel, upload the same video that you uploaded on your initial channel to that new channel. And you might be wondering by now, well, won't YouTube notice that? And they actually won't if you change the title, if you change the description. You can leave the tags pretty much the same. But one thing you can do is you can change the closed captions of the video. How do you actually do that? Well, what we're going to do is we're going to jump back here. Let me actually just minimize this. And let's go back to my Creator Studio over here. And what you could do is you can go to your Creator Studio when you log into your YouTube account. Just go to subtitles. You can select any of these videos right here. Let's just select this one right here. And you can see that the subtitle, English Automatic, is right here. You can edit these subtitles and you can actually change the subtitles to make them unique. And when you make the subtitles unique, it makes the whole video appear unique. So you can upload two videos that are the exact same videos, but appear very unique to YouTube. So let me show you proof that this actually works. Okay, we're going to jump back here once again. I type in the Kibo code review. You can see Joshua Elder, one video right here. And then what I did is I took the same exact video, uploaded it to my Honest Online Marketing channel, and I was able to rank for a different keyword, a different search phrase, this Kibo code scam versus the Kibo code review. Different thumbnails, same video, different titles, right? Same video, different description, same video, and different channel. But I'm able to go for two separate search phrases with the same video. So for example, intermittent fasting meal plan and intermittent fasting diet plan can be close to the same. And you could very well use the same video if it's going to answer both of those questions. If it's going to answer the intermittent fasting meal plan and intermittent fasting diet plan question in one video, then you're able to rank for multiple keywords. And also you're able to get views from the YouTube watch page, which is essentially, if I click on this video right here, this is a YouTube watch page, and you can actually show up in the suggested video section right here too as well. Even on the home page, there's like 8+ different ways to get traffic to your videos. So the last thing that I wanted to mention is how you actually make money from these videos. There's actually two primary ways that I make money from my YouTube videos. Number one is Google AdSense revenue. Now, you can't start making money from the YouTube Partner Program, aka the Google AdSense program, until you've got at least 1,000 subscribers and then I think about 10,000 views, if I remember right. They could have changed that. You might want to check up on that, but you need to meet a certain criteria. So that's number one, is making money by just simply getting views. Most of my money, though, is made by putting links in the descriptions of my videos that lead out to either my own products or affiliate products. Now, the way that you can find affiliate products, and affiliate marketing is just simply selling other people's products and earning a commission off of it. So a lot of these merchants are willing to pay you pretty handsomely for doing the promotion, the marketing for their product. So you can get paid from websites like clickbank.com, Max Bounty, JVZoo. There's many different, networks out there. And I'll post a link in the description that tells you a little bit more about ClickBank, which is one of my primary ways to get started, because you're promoting digital products and you get to keep most of the money by doing that because there's a lot less overhead. So that's how it's done. So you can have multiple channels, same pieces of content, optimized correctly, and absolutely crush it. Now, if you want this formula, access to this formula in its entirety, obviously I've been able to generate a multiple six-figure income yearly with this same formula. And you literally want to be able to model exactly what I do, even copy my exact videos from my very channel ethically, kind of showing you what I've outlined today. I will give you access to my content, my videos. They're not Creative Commons right now. I give people access privately that are a part of my program. So you can very well go out in one of these niches and absolutely crush it. If you want to do that, it's completely fine. But if you'd like to partner with me personally and crush it on YouTube in 2020 and beyond, I invite you to click the link in the description below to learn a little bit more about how you can get access to this revolutionary system. As you know, it's all about content in 2020 and beyond, social media. Most people don't want to create content. Most people don't want to have to be on video. But they understand that content is the way to drive traffic, build relationships, and convert leads to sales in the future. If that's you, again, check it out in the links in the description. And also subscribe to the channel if you like value like this. We teach you almost daily content that's really going to help you build an online business and get to that next level in your life. Don't forget to tick that bell icon after you click that red subscribe button to be notified of all future videos that I upload when I upload them. And give me a like if you got value from this video. And we will see you in the next one. Take care.